Hey everyone and welcome back. Otter.ai does more than just transcribe. Let me show you how to extract key points from your meetings automatically. After your meeting ends, Otter generates something called the Smart Notes section. This appears above the full transcript. It includes a summary, action items, and key highlights. To find it, open any transcript, look at the top of the page. You will see a tab labeled Summary. Click it to view Otter.ai analysis. Otter automatically identifies decisions, deadlines, and next steps. It compiles them into a clean bullet point list. You can also ask OtterChat a question type: what were the main decisions, or what are the action items? Otter scans the transcript and answers instantly. For better results, tag speakers before your meeting. Otter will focus on what each person said and highlight their commitments. To export key points, click the More Options menu next to the summary, choose Copy Text or Export as Markdown. Pro tip: record meetings with Otter Note Taker. It captures higher quality audio, leading to more accurate summaries. And that's it. Otter extracts the important parts so you never have to reread the full transcript again. If you use key points, let me know what you capture in the comments. See you in the next one.